Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make mirror a text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Then go to the Insert menu and select the Draw Text Box option and draw a text box. Then write anything on this text box. Then select the text and go back the home menu, increase the font size. Now we want to make this text box a mirror. Go to the shape format menu, click the shape effect and choose the reflection. Select any reflection, then click shape fill color and apply any shape fill. Now we can see we make mirror text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.